Hi, I thought I'd show you this joystick. I got it about 25 years ago with an Atari 800 computer, and I think it's probably made in the 80s. It's a bit unique really. It's an arcade stick before arcade sticks sort of came out, but having an Atari, I can imagine one of these switches for auto fire, maybe, but there's 3 switches on it, which is unusual considering the Atari only had 1 fire button. It's got the arcade stick there. It's also got this, which I don't know what is. No idea, but it's a pretty good job for a homemade stick from the 80s. I mean, they've even put suckers on the bottom. But if anyone you know who's owned an Atari, or maybe a Commodore 64, would know what these extra switches would do, I'd like to know. So if any of you have got any ideas, please put them in the comments. But it's a pretty cool joystick from the 80s. Thank you.